Hi there, welcome to Talk and Tell English YouTube channel. Learn English easily through fun and simple stories. Let's get started and make English learning simple, fun, and enjoyable. Chapter 2, The First Adventure. The book was about a brave sea captain named Storm, who sailed the oceans in search of treasure and helped people in trouble. Maya was reading about Captain Storm's ship when something strange happened. The words on the page began to glow with a soft blue light. Maya blinked and looked again. The light was getting brighter. Suddenly, she felt like she was moving, even though she was sitting in her chair. The library around her began to fade away. Maya felt a warm breeze on her face and heard the sound of waves. When she opened her eyes, she was standing on the deck of a ship. The ship was beautiful. It had white sails and a wooden deck that shone in the sunlight. Maya could smell the salty sea air and feel the ship moving gently on the waves. "Ahoy there," called a voice. Maya turned and saw a tall man with dark hair and a kind face. He was wearing a blue coat and black boots. "You must be our new crew member." "New crew member?" Maya asked, confused. "I don't understand. I was just reading in the library." The man smiled. "I'm Captain Storm. Welcome aboard my ship, the Sea Star. Don't worry about how you got here. The important thing is that you're here to help us on our adventure." Maya looked around. There were other people on the ship, too. A young woman with red hair was climbing up to fix the sails. An old man with a white beard was steering the ship. A boy about Maya's age was cleaning the deck. "But I don't know how to sail a ship," Maya said. "Don't worry," Captain Storm laughed. "You'll learn quickly. We all help each other here. Come, let me show you around." Captain Storm showed Maya all parts of the ship. There was the kitchen where they cooked meals, the rooms where they slept, and the place where they kept their supplies. Everything was clean and well organized. "Where are we going?" Maya asked. "We're sailing to Coral Island," the captain explained. "The people there sent us a message asking for help. Pirates have been stealing their food and supplies. We're going to stop them." Maya felt excited and a little scared. She had never been on a real adventure before. But Captain Storm and his crew seemed kind and brave. The red-haired woman came down from the sails. "I'm Sarah," she said to Maya. "I take care of the sails and help navigate the ship." "What's your name?" "I'm Maya. I'm still not sure how I got here, but I want to help." "That's the spirit." Sarah smiled. "Don't think too hard about how things work on this ship. Just enjoy the adventure." The old man with the white beard walked over. "I'm Ben," he said. "I've been sailing for 50 years. I can teach you about the stars and how to find your way on the ocean." The boy, Maya's age, introduced himself too. "I'm Tom. I'm 16, just like you. I help with everything on the ship. It's great to have another young person here." Maya spent the rest of the day learning about life on the ship. She helped Tom clean the deck and learned how to tie different kinds of knots from Ben. Sarah taught her about the sails and how wind can move a ship. As the sun began to set, Captain Storm called everyone together. "We should reach Coral Island tomorrow morning," he announced. "The pirates have been taking food from the island people for 3 weeks. The islanders are growing hungry and scared. We need to be smart and brave to help them." That night, Maya slept in a small but comfortable room on the ship. She could hear the gentle sound of waves against the ship's sides. She thought about her parents at home. Would they worry about her? How long would she be gone? But when she woke up the next morning and saw the beautiful blue ocean all around her, She felt happy and excited about the adventure ahead. Great job, everyone! I hope you liked this story. See you in the next chapter. Please subscribe for more tips and fun lessons. Let's keep learning together.